Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Five Nights at Freddy's on piano. To begin, locate beginner-friendly sheet music or online tutorials for the iconic main theme. Before touching the keys, take a moment to understand the key and time signatures. It is often in a minor key, creating that spooky atmosphere. Practice each hand independently to build muscle memory, then slowly combine them. Start with the melody, then introduce the chords. The core of the Five Nights at Freddy's sound lies in its haunting, repetitive melodies, often played in a minor key. You will frequently encounter minor triads and diminished chords, which are crucial for building that signature tension. The left hand typically provides a steady foundation with arpeggiated patterns or sustained bass notes. Remember to listen intently to the original game's soundtrack. This will help you accurately capture the mood and phrasing of each musical phrase. To truly capture the game's essence, maintaining a steady, deliberate tempo is key. This conveys the suspenseful pace. Dynamics are your best friend for creating those iconic jump scares, so practice sudden shifts from very soft pianissimo to loud forte. Utilize staccato notes for sharp, unsettling sounds, contrasting them with legato for smoother, more ominous transitions. Varying your touch will emphasize specific notes, significantly enhancing the overall eerie atmosphere. Consistent practice is vital for improvement. Aim for regular, focused sessions of perhaps 15 to 20 minutes. Recording yourself playing can be incredibly helpful for identifying areas where your performance needs refinement. Do not hesitate to explore various arrangements, starting with simpler versions and gradually moving to more complex ones. Finally, consider learning themes from other horror games to broaden your repertoire and enhance your overall piano skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.